Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am making another test batch. This one is black raspberry, and this is not to be confused with black raspberry vanilla. And if I had to pick, I would actually pick this black raspberry over the black raspberry vanilla. I love black raspberry vanilla, but this one is just a little bit, I feel like, stronger scent. And I like that it doesn't have the sweetness of the vanilla. So it's more of a real crisp berry smell. It smells fantastic. It's super strong, really, really nice. But anyway, one of BeScented's customers used to get this fragrance oil. She does a lot of wholesale, and she got this fragrance oil and it was discontinued, so she could no longer get it. So BeScented had one of their manufacturers see if they could duplicate the fragrance, and she had tested it and worked out perfectly. So it's actually available for BeScented right now on BeScented.com right now. And I'm just doing the test video after the fact just so everyone can see how it does perform. It performs great, no ricing, no acceleration, and it's just a really nice fragrance. I think it's going to be fantastic in my soy candles as well as soap. So I'm very excited to do this one. And I am going to use just a white base and then activated charcoal and then the red raspberry color mica from BeScented. So I thought, how can you make a black raspberry soap without activated charcoal or raspberry color? So anyway, and then I'm just going to use the TD bottle from BeScented. You can see it in the background. I just pre-mixed my TD and then I'm good to go. And you can see that the fragrance didn't accelerate, didn't rise. If you notice, my batter got a little bit thick. What happened here was I'm out in my soap shed, and I'm in DC, and we got a ton of snow, and it's a little bit chilly. And I just ran out to make 2-3 small batches of soap, and so I just didn't want to turn the heat all the way up in the shed. But what happened was my oils kind of got a little thick once they were no longer on the heater. I can show you guys later, but I have a canning, I don't know what to call it. It's like a canning, it's a machine that people use to can their items. And so I just can their vegetables or fruits or whatever. I just throw them at hard oils in there and warm them up. So they're kind of already pre-measured, and then I just take out what I need. So anyway, once the hard oils got off of the heat, they kind of thickened up because it was a little bit chilly in the soap shed. But anyway, lesson learned. I'll just keep the heater on next time. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and finish pouring this, and then I won't bother you with my rambling on, but I will be back for the cut. All right, and we are back for the cut, and I was actually super happy with how this soap turned out on the top. Just thought it was a really nice swirl. Added some more lighting for the cut, and smells really fantastic. I really like the swirls on the inside. Sometimes when I'm doing test batches, I don't stick blend as much as I should because I'm kind of nervous that it's going to accelerate or it's going to rice. So typically I like a little bit thicker of a swirl on the inside, but this honestly smells fantastic. So very happy with how it turned out, and obviously the colors kind of match the fragrance, so very happy with that. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I will see you on the next video.